What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning, and welcome back to your daily Luna Classic update. This is the update after yesterday. We got some big news, right? That Luna Classic trading fees would all be sent to the burn address of Luna Classic. All trading fees on Binance at least, but let's be honest, most volume of Luna Classic is on Binance. I mean, you can see right now about 1.4 billion dollars in volume is on Binance, and that's only the real Binance. You also have Binance Turkey, which adds another 100 million. That's even bigger. I mean, together that's about 60% of the volume. All right, so that's all amazing. That all gets burnt. I think it's indefinitely for now at least. So yeah, the Luna Classic burning is actually happening right now, and it's actually burning through quite a lot. I mean, it's compared to the total supply, it's still going to be hard, right? Because yeah, I mean, obviously a lot of Luna Classic has been released into circulation when the whole Luna crash happened. But apart from that, there's some reason to be optimistic. I actually thought yesterday when we found resistance at that 30,000 resistance level, I thought we would be able to break through earlier. But I mean, the sentiment is not really there. I still think we are going to get higher, all right? I still think we're at least going to get up to 35,000, and I think we got a good shot at getting up to 40,000. But yeah, the market needs to believe that. The community needs to believe that. A big part of this move was a strong community, people who believed in it. Now people don't, because what Binance launched isn't the burn tax, maybe. But apart from that, I mean, what I explained yesterday too, is that now that Binance has announced it, what you're going to get is you're going to see way more Luna Classic being burned, which you can follow right here. You can, for example, see that 1.9 billion Luna Classic has been burned by the burn tax. But apart from that, you can also see that the total burned is around 4 billion, which is, I mean, it's something at least, right? It's something. You definitely shouldn't underestimate it, and definitely not when the burn tax has already burned 1.9 billion in a week, right? And Binance, what they're going to do is they're going to do it once a week. So I think next Monday they'll be the first to send that. And then you'll see that burn volume go up, and then when people actually see that we're burning through quite a lot of Luna Classic, then we might actually get a second run. All right, so that's fundamental reason one why we would break out above this. Fundamental reason two is because Binance has now launched this. There's a huge incentive for other exchanges to also do something like this. Because what's happening right now is that a lot of the volume of Luna Classic, I mean, usually the volume that goes to Binance is lower than 50%. All right, then KuCoin, Gate.io, Wobi, Kraken also have some percentage. Now their percentages have relatively dropped significantly, and it all goes to Binance. All right, so that leads more users to Binance. So this is a huge incentive for other exchanges to also have campaigns like this, and maybe even to really implement a burn tax on every transaction. All right, the incentive to do that has never been bigger. So that's fundamental reason two on how we could get another bull run. But for now, if we're being realistic, it looks like 30,000 is too strong for us, and that we're going to drop down to this level at 28 and 27,000. But as I said, I think the fundamentals are enough to actually get us above that and get up to 35,000, and I even think we can get to 40,000 if kind of depending on what news gets released. So we might see some bearish short term, but I still expect us to get some sort of a bearish break, some sort of a bullish breakout. Now I could be 100% wrong, but technically we have a very strong support level at 26,000. And fundamentally, there are a lot of possibilities to get good news and to get some sort of a run. Now, if those possibilities don't come, or if that news doesn't come, or if the community thinks not enough Luna Classic is being burned, it might not happen. But that's a risk I'm willing to take, and I'm going to say that I think it's most likely it will happen. But yeah, that's my opinion. Obviously, you can have a different opinion than mine, but for now, that's my take on Luna Classic. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you think as well. Very interested in that. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.